Hi! Happy Thursday! Today is Thursday. So, Sisi, no more summer school. It's finished already. And the iPad is low-bat because I didn't charge last night because I gave her punishment. So, not all the time, not every day all is iPad and cell phone. So, what she do now, don't, what's that your face? What she do now, I tell, drawing. Oh. When the cell iPad is low-bat, so, she's watching, of course, we let them finish breakfast and eat for, we just prepare later na naman lunch, for the lunch and...
No! The sun is over, she come, we go to Beijing Azul.
Okay. And then, after she is watching TV, what you make? What exercise that one? What's the name?
Yoga.
Yeah. And then after that one, she feel boring daw because she is alone nga while I'm cleaning. Of course, I'm cleaning man. I fix first. And so, I tell them to make drawing. So, that is the result now. She is not drawing, semi-coloring. Oh. She make activities now. I said, not always all the time, iPad, and cell phone. And if you are listening to me, you must to do what I'm talking to you. You do it and no need to complain. Because she is already big. And more development na, not always iPad. And cell phone and iPad. Eyes is the bagay. There is, what's that? Just to go to the eyeglasses and they can fix. Ay, nako, it's not really good like that one. It's better pa siya. You are teaching to make activities. You must to be strong and you must to be disciplined in a good way. Not all the time is okay. No, it's not. Oh, you see how she make color? Very, very beautiful. Oh, that is her activities and she has a lot of for drawing. Pencil, coloring, pen. Oh, you see? She has a lot talaga. She has a lot. Overloaded na. We just give to somebody already. So that is. And me also, I just finished the room of Madam. And now, a little bit I finished na everything in cleaning, I think. If I'm not mistaken, I finished the bathroom and the room of Sisi. So, I make video to do what activities she has. Every day what we do and what she do. Not every day I make a video for her activities because sometimes she go with her friends to Ellen and I'm teaching. When you finish play, you must to return in the room. Everything that is the practice of the children, especially to the girl. Okay, so thank you again for watching and bye. Happy weekends now. Weekends Friday na tomorrow and now is Thursday. Okay, and yala bye. Yala do it good. Don't look nga. I'm just looking your back. Just drawing para hindi tayo mamamno. Okay, just Grace, it's okay Grace because Grace is what's that? Thank you again as but I'm telling thank you for watching, thank you for everything, thank you for all support. You know who you are, and worldwide, nationwide, and to the different countries and to the different people na in this earth belong na yan, including na yan. And say bye. Thank you.